Welcome to Statics. In this quick tour, we'll show you how the platform is structured, so you know where to start and where to find things later. Let's start with the main layout of Statics. On the side, you'll find access to all core sections of the platform. Your account starts with a sample company, so you can explore dashboards, financials, analysis, and planning right away. Furthermore, at the top, you can select your company, choose the latest actual period, and switch between different plans. When you're ready to get started, click Start Onboarding to set up your own company in just a few minutes. Dashboards help you keep stakeholders informed with key metrics and up-to-date financials. Financials gives you a detailed view of your financial statements, down to account level with monthly, yearly, and comparison views. In analysis, you'll find charts that help you understand trends and drivers, all updating automatically. In planning, you can create and manage multiple plans using predefined methodologies or your own custom formulas. In the data section, you manage your inputs, including trial balances, account mapping, and statement design. In settings, you control personal preferences and, if you're an admin, organization and company settings, users, and billing. That's it. You've seen the main structure of Statics. Now start exploring.